even see your fucking big ass head.
There we go.
It don't even fucking matter. This motherfucker, he don't even want to be seen. He's a fucking wanted man by the fucking federales, dude. Fucking, I mean, basically, who the fuck ain't these days? I mean, what the fuck? You can't hardly get away with a motherfucking thing these days, bro. God, did that break my windshield?
No,
I swear to fuck, God, see what I fucking mean?
It landed right
You
in my
can't even
crotch.
shoot the K out the motherfucking window. That's somebody getting all pissed off. Here, hold the fucking wheel on that son of a... God damn, fucking blew my fucking glasses down on that motherfucker. You know what I mean? And it's like,
my crotch is hot.
I don't know why everybody got to be so fucking soft. Let me put that fucking last son of a bitch out of that motherfucker before I shoot my cheddar bob my goddamn dick off in this motherfucker. And I ain't done with this. Where's my give me my fucking pistol in this motherfucker. That thing. Oh, hold up. We got. Come on. It's on safe. You son of a bitch. Fucking cocksuckers. Fucking alright, man. That's all I fucking know. These motherfuckers. I'm about to flip a shitty just so fucking they say, who's gonna do something about it? I fucking got. Matter of fact, let's go. Hey, let me. How many more I got in that clip? This fucking K. God fucking damn it, motherfucker. Hey. Oh, that's actually some livestock right there, but it's.